Hi, Flashcard Lab is a free Google Chrome extension that helps you copy text, words, and definitions from websites directly into Google Sheets in order to make flashcards. It is perfect for language learners, students looking to improve their vocabulary, teachers, and more. This video will demo how to use the Flashcard Lab extension. Let's get started. First, some quick logistics. After installing the extension from the web store, click on the jigsaw puzzle piece at the top right. Then click on the pin icon to pin the extension to the navigation bar for easy access later. Once that's done, right-click on the Flashcard Lab icon and go to the options. If this is your first time using the extension, it will prompt you to give it access to your sheets. This is how it is able to automatically insert words and definitions into the spreadsheet without having the file open in your browser. The extension will never modify your sheets without you triggering it. Select the account you want it to have access to, and click Allow. Now you're at the options page where you can select a spreadsheet to start saving your vocabulary, words, and text to. I'm going to select the Flashcard Lab local test file, which currently only has header text. Once you do that, you are good to go. Just select any text from a web page and right-click to save it to the spreadsheet. Let's look at an example. Say I'm reading up on aerodynamics on Wikipedia. I don't know what aerodynamics means, so I will select the text to study later. Right-click on the selected text and go down to Save Aerodynamics to Spreadsheet. This will bring up a pop-up with the word and definition automatically populated. You can also hear the pronunciation of the word by clicking this button. If everything looks good, you can click Save to Spreadsheet. Now if I go to my spreadsheet, I can see the text aerodynamics and its definition were copied into the first and second columns. However, you don't have to open the file to see that the word was inserted in there. Instead, just left-click on the Flashcard Lab icon and it will show the contents of the spreadsheet right in the extension. Let's see how this is done again with another term. I'm going to select Fluid Dynamics, automatically get the definition, and save to the spreadsheet. I can see that it was added to the extension, and if I click the link in the extension, it'll bring me to the spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Cool, now let's see how I can edit the text when no definition is automatically found. I'm going to select 18th century. And in the pop-up here, there's an input field where I can type some text into. I'll just type something and save it to the spreadsheet. Alright, that works. Now what if I want to save some text to another spreadsheet? What I can do is highlight some text, and when the pop-up shows up, I click the 3 vertical dots and click Change Spreadsheet. This will open up the options page where I can select a different spreadsheet file to save to. I'm going to select this one. Now I can go back to the web page and save the text like I normally would, and that will update the newly selected spreadsheet. Okay, now I've switched the spreadsheet back to the previous one, and now I'm going to save one more word and then show how you can review the information as flashcards. For this word, let's say I didn't like the definition it came up with. I can just click on the text and write something else. Once I click Save, the updated text will be copied into the spreadsheet. Alright, now that I have collected all these terms I want to review, how can I study and learn from it? This requires a Google Sheets add-on that is separate from this extension. I'll leave a link in the description below for that add-on. Once that add-on is installed, open it up by going to Extensions, Flashcard Lab, and open Flashcard Lab. This brings up a sidebar with 3 buttons. Click on Start Reviewing, select a sheet to review, and that sheet will be turned into shuffled virtual flashcards you can review. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this demo video of the Flashcard Lab Chrome extension. Please check out all the relevant install links in the description below and try it out. Thanks for watching.